Ever wondered what programming skills are needed for AI? What kind of coding knowledge is required? Well, it's not as complex as it might seem at first glance. It's all about understanding key concepts, learning the right languages, and getting hands-on with the most effective tools and libraries. First off, let's get one thing straight. You need to learn a programming language. And not just any language, but one that's commonly used in AI. Python is a popular choice here. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is the go-to language for many AI developers. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it a great choice for beginners. Moreover, a large community of developers use Python, ensuring a wealth of resources and libraries specifically designed for AI. But learning Python is just the start. To really make a mark in AI, you must become familiar with key libraries and frameworks. These are the tools that will allow you to implement machine learning models, manipulate data, and create neural networks. Two of the most important libraries for AI are TensorFlow and PyTorch. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a powerful library for creating and training machine learning models. It's highly flexible and can be used for a range of AI applications. PyTorch, on the other hand, is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Developed by Facebook's AI research lab, PyTorch allows for dynamic computation graphs, which can be incredibly useful in AI development. But the learning doesn't end there. In addition to Python and key libraries, you'll also need to understand the principles of machine learning and deep learning. These are the heart and soul of AI. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data, while deep learning goes a step further, using neural networks to simulate human decision-making. Finally, don't forget about statistics and linear algebra. These are the mathematical foundations of AI. A solid understanding of these concepts will help you to create more efficient and effective AI models. So, to summarize, if you're keen on diving into the world of AI, start by learning Python. Then, familiarize yourself with key AI libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Deepen your knowledge with the principles of machine learning and deep learning, and don't overlook the importance of statistics and linear algebra. Remember, AI is a field that's constantly evolving. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. With the right skills and a persistent attitude, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient AI developer.